Pix-Elle, the champion, who created EAS scenarios. Pix-Elle and Friends presents EAS scenario number 3, the creepy Addi. Civil danger for the state of South Dakota. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennington County Sheriff's Department. This is a very dangerous situation that is currently happening in the state of South Dakota. An unknown creature was spotted roaming the streets of Rapid, attacking and killing anyone in sight. The main is still unknown. Police officers are going to investigate on who this individual is. If you see the individual anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further updates when they become available. An unknown individual roaming the streets of Rapid? That's scary. When did an individual appear on such a beautiful day? 2 minutes later, the following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennington County Police Department. This is a shelter-in-place warning that has been issued for the city of Rapid. The individual who is responsible for the Furby incident has now been identified. The individual represents a girl from Vandenberg Elementary School for 4th grade and 5th grade, but does not like fur blitz at all. The creature is Addi EXE. All residents are advised to seek shelter in place at all time. If you see Addi EXE anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further updates when they become available. Addison from Vandenberg? Why does she not like furblets? 2 hours later, the following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennington County Sheriff's Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. All residents in the city of Rapid, get to your homes immediately. In one of the 5th grade classrooms, there was a non-stop phenomenon known as the creepy Addi. She was last seen being mean to a girl who likes Furbies in 2024, which is last year. And the other girl got really mad about it and decided not to like her anymore. All residents are strongly advised to get to your homes at all times. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further updates when they become available. The creepy Addi? Why was she even mean to a girl? However, 45 minutes later, the following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. All residents in the city of Rapid, evacuate immediately. The creepy Addi has made clones of herself. There are more than 50 clones of the creepy Addi attacking the city of Rapid. Reports say that if one of the clones kills you, you will transform into one of the clones, and even affect the entire state of South Dakota. This is a very dangerous situation, and should not be approached. All residents are strongly advised to evacuate the state immediately. Gather the necessary supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio, and a firearm and flashlight in case of intrusion. Do not take any other personal belongings, as there is very little time to do so. Evacuate northwest of Interstate 90 or south of Interstate 29 in Sioux Falls. Stay tuned to local media outlets or internet sources as they become available. We interrupted your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. NASA reported that an asteroid made by the creepy Addi will strike Earth within the hour, and it's heading faster. This asteroid is known to be Ceres, the largest asteroid on Earth. All residents are advised to gather your loved ones and new laws and make sure you guys are with each other for the final moment. Spend as much time as you can with your loved ones and new laws. Cherish every moment you had with them. This is the end of the world. We'll now sign off with the final broadcast. Stay tuned to the final broadcast in the emergency alert system. Goodbye, everyone. We'll see each other in the afterlife. the final broadcast, everyone gathered each other for the final moments before Ceres hits Earth. They say goodbye to their loved ones and all of them hug each other to spend their final moments before the end of the world. But what everyone didn't know is that the asteroid was just as tiny as a rock, because the creepy Addi accidentally summoned a small asteroid that is the tiniest one ever. The asteroid hits the ground and nothing happens. Everyone was shocked. And after that, the emergency alert system has activated to tell that everything is clear. Administrative message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennington County Police Department. All clear. I repeat, all clear. It turns out that the asteroid was just the tiniest thing. That is the size of a rock. The creepy Addi accidentally summoned a small asteroid. Police officers have successfully killed the creepy Addi. Everyone was shocked to see that the asteroid was small. We'd like to thank our police officers for saving us from the creepy Addi. Normal programming may now resume. Wait, the asteroid was small? But either way, the creepy Addi is finally gone for good. Stay tuned for my next EAS scenario and enjoy. Bye. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.